Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a shutoff valve like this that you will typically see under a bathroom vanity or maybe for a toilet with one of these nice new quarter turn shutoff valves from Sharkbite. They're super easy to install and you just need a couple of affordable tools. Let's get started. This is the old shutoff valve that I'm going to be removing, and I started off by turning off the water at the outside of my house at the water meter and then draining all the residual water in this line into a bucket. Next, I grabbed my pipe cutting tool, and this is a simple and affordable way to easily cut pipes like this. And the way this works is you just fit it around the pipe and then you screw the handle down to get a tight fit around the pipe while you rotate it, and it will slice its way through the pipe. And typically for a copper pipe like this, you're going to have to rotate it around the pipe a couple times and then tighten the knob a little bit, then continue to rotate until the pipe separates. And you can see here that we got a really nice clean cut on our pipe. Since I have the shutoff valve removed already, I'm also going to be replacing this discussion plate with a brand new one that'll look much better. Next, I grabbed a wire brush and just used this to clean off the surface of the pipe to prepare it for the new fitting that I'm going to be putting on. After using the wire brush on there, I just grabbed a paper towel and made sure that it was nice and clean. And before installing the replacement fitting, I'm putting on my new escutcheon plate, and make sure you don't skip this step because I have definitely made that mistake before where I put the new valve on before installing the plate. Since I'm going to be using a Sharkbite fitting on this pipe, I'm using their deburring and depth marking tool to ensure that my pipe is properly prepared. And the way this works is you just fit it around the pipe, rotate it a few times to remove some of the burrs or little metal shards from when you cut it off, and then you can use a pencil to mark the depth that the new fitting needs to go on. Here you can see the pencil mark that I made, and this is the depth that our new fitting needs to go on. For this project, I'm using a 1/2 inch by 3/8 inch Sharkbite fitting. And you just slide this over the pipe and then push on until it reaches that pencil mark. And you can see here that we did reach our pencil mark, so that means that our fitting is properly installed. Next, I added on the decorative cover plate, and this just pops over the pipe and hides the little piece of pipe in the back. And the final step before we turn our water back on is to put our fitting in the off position. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.